Ladies and gentlemen, culinary adventurers, and fearless foodies, gather round. Prepare to embark on a gastronomic journey through the wild world of unconventional food pairings that defy logic yet delight the palate. These daring duos may raise eyebrows, but trust us, they're worth every curious bite. Number 1. Ice cream and soy sauce. The sweet, salty symphony. Imagine the creamy sweetness of vanilla ice cream meeting the umami rich saltiness of soy sauce. This unlikely alliance creates a flavor explosion that's both surprising and satisfying. The soy sauce enhances the ice cream's sweetness, offering a complex taste that's nothing short of magical. Number 2. Peanut butter and pickles. The crunchy contradiction. At first glance, pairing tangy pickles with creamy peanut butter seems like a culinary dare. Yet this combination balances salty, sweet, and sour flavors, delivering a crunchy and creamy snack that's oddly addictive. Number 3. Bacon and ice cream. The savory sweet sensation. Crispy, salty bacon bits nestled within smooth, sweet ice cream. It's a match made in dessert heaven. The contrast of textures and flavors creates a harmonious blend that's both indulging and unforgettable. Number 4. Mango and chili powder. The fiery fruit fusion. A staple of Mexican street food, juicy mango slices sprinkled with chili powder and a squeeze of lime offer a tantalizing mix of sweet, spicy, and tangy flavors. This vibrant combination awakens the taste buds and leaves you craving for more. Number 5. French fries and milkshake. The classic contrast. Dipping hot, salty French fries into a cold, sweet milkshake is a nostalgic treat that perfectly balances temperatures and flavor. The result is a delightful dance of sweet and savory that satisfies on multiple levels. Number 6. Apple pie and cheddar cheese. The timeless twosome. This classic pairing combines the sweet, spicy flavor of apple pie with the sharpness of cheddar cheese. The cheese adds a savory depth, enhancing the pie's sweetness and creating a well-rounded dessert experience. Number 7. Watermelon and balsamic vinegar. The refreshing revelation. Drizzling tangy balsamic vinegar over sweet, juicy watermelon cubes elevates the fruit's natural flavor. The acidity of the vinegar completes the sweetness of the watermelon, resulting in a refreshing and sophisticated snack. Number 8. Chocolate and avocado. The creamy confection. Blending ripe avocado with rich chocolate creates a velvety mousse that's both decadent and nutritious. The avocado's mild flavor allows the chocolate to shine, while adding a luscious texture. Number 9. Salami and grapes. The savory sweet surprise. Wrapping a slice of savory salami around a sweet grape offers a delightful contrast of flavor and textures. This bite-sized snack is perfect for charcuterie boards, balancing richness with refreshing sweetness. Number 10. Cheese and chocolate, the decadent duo. Pairing rich, creamy cheeses like brie and dark chocolate creates a luxurious treat. The combination of sweet and savory elements results in a complex flavor profile that's both indulgent and satisfying. Number 11. Vanilla ice cream and popcorn, the textural treat. Topping smooth vanilla ice cream with crunchy, salty popcorn creates a delightful mix of texture and flavor. The popcorn adds a savory crunch that completes the sweet creaminess of the ice cream, making for a fun and tasty dessert. Number 12. Peanut butter and mayonnaise sandwich. The retro revival. This vintage combination brings together the creamy richness of peanut butter with the tangy smoothness of mayonnaise. The result is a unique flavor that's surprisingly harmonious and has a nostalgic appeal. Number 13. Fried catfish and spaghetti, the Southern special. A beloved dish in certain Southern communities, this pairing combines crispy fried catfish with hearty spaghetti. The mix of texture and flavors creates a comforting and satisfying meal that's rich in tradition. Number 14. Cantaloupe and gochujang sauce, the spicy sweet snack. Dipping sweet cantaloupe slices into spicy gochujang sauce creates a bold flavor contrast. The heat from the sauce enhances the melon's sweetness, offering a unique and refreshing taste experience. Number 15. Waffles and salad, the crunchy contrast. Using crispy waffle pieces as croutons in a fresh salad adds an unexpected sweet crunch. This inventive twist elevates the salad's texture and flavor, making it a delightful fusion of breakfast and lunch elements. Number 16. Chicken pot pie and empanadas, the comfort combo. Encasing the creamy filling of a chicken pot pie within the flaky crust of an empanado merges two comfort foods into one handheld delight. This fusion offers a portable and satisfying meal that blends different culinary traditions. Number 17. Bacon and jelly, the sweet savory spread. Spreading sweet jelly over crispy bacon creates a delightful contrast of flavor. The sweetness of the jelly complements the saltiness of the bacon, making it a perfect addition to toast or sandwiches. Number 18. Tuna and Marmite, the umami explosion. Combining the rich umami flavors of tuna with the salt intensity of Marmite results in a bold and savory taste experience. This pairing is not for the faint-hearted, but offers a unique depth of flavor for adventurous connoisseurs. Stay safe, stay secure, have some Tums handy, and let me know which recipe tickles your appetite's fancy. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye, and thanks for reading, watching, and listening.